Hello, everyone. I am Paul. Welcome to Fluent World Podcast. If you are new here, this channel is all about learning English in a simple, calm, and friendly way. So before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, take a deep breath, relax, and just listen. Today's episode is special because today we are talking about a new year, a new beginning, and a new way to learn English. Let me ask you something. How many times have you said to yourself, this year, I will learn English? Maybe last year, maybe the year before that, and maybe again and again. But somehow, you still feel stuck. If that sounds like you, please listen carefully, because this episode is for you. A new year does not change your life automatically. A new calendar does not change your English, but a new mindset can. Many people think English is hard. They say, my grammar is weak. My pronunciation is bad. People laugh when I speak English. But the truth is simple. English is not hard. Your mind makes it hard. When you were a child, you learned your first language without fear. You made mistakes. You repeated words. You listened more than you spoke. And slowly, you became fluent. English works the same way. This year, I want you to stop chasing perfection. Do not try to speak like a native speaker. Do not try to speak fast. Do not try to impress anyone. Just try to be clear. Just try to be confident. Just try to speak a little better than yesterday. Let me tell you something important. Fluency does not come from studying English. Fluency comes from living with English. That means listening every day, thinking in English sometimes, talking to yourself in English, making English part of your daily life. You do not need big goals. You need small habits. 5 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes at night, 1 podcast while walking, 1 sentence spoken with confidence. That is enough. This new year, I want you to change one thing. Stop saying, I will start tomorrow. Start today. Start now. Even if it feels uncomfortable, because confidence comes after action, not before. You may feel shy. You may feel nervous. You may feel slow. That is normal. Every confident English speaker you see today was once afraid to speak. The only difference is they did not stop. This year, make a promise to yourself, not to be perfect, but to be consistent. If you listen to English every day, your brain will adapt. If you hear correct sentences again and again, your mind will learn patterns. If you speak slowly and clearly, your confidence will grow. English is not a race. It is a journey. And you are not late. You are right on time. So in this new year, be kind to yourself. Celebrate small progress. Smile at your mistakes and keep moving forward. If you are listening to this podcast right now, that means you are already doing something right. Stay with Fluent World Podcast. Listen daily, learn naturally, and trust the process. Thank you for being here. I am Paul, and I will see you in the next episode.